Find the coordinate of the points which divide the line segment joining A and B in 4 equal parts. So we're looking at the diagram. So we are dealing with a line being divided into 4 equal parts. See, to divide something into 2 equal parts, we need one single point. If you want to divide something into 3 parts, we need 2 points. So we need to divide this in 4 parts. So basically we need 3 points. So over here, okay, let me use different color. So we begin with over here and over here and over here. So why am I so confident that it will be in the middle? Obviously, it is 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to be in the middle. It's like folding 2 times. So this is T, M, and we can call this as U. So we'll call this as X of T, Y of T, X of M, Y of M, and X of U, Y of U. So this point is, okay, let me change the color, minus 2, comma 2, and this point is 2, comma 8. Okay, now how do we solve it? See, first is we should begin with point M. Reason being, AM is equal to MB. It has to be, right? Because they are in 4 equal parts, right? This is 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. Means all of these 4 parts are equal to each other. So AM will be equal to MB. They are in the ratio of 1 is to 1. That is, AM length will be equal to MB length. So basically, we are looking at this as a midpoint. So given points M, comma T, comma M, comma U divides the line AB in ratio of into 4 equal parts, not in ratio of, into 4 equal parts. Next is your working. So we begin with we begin with point M, xm, comma ym. So for that, we need to substitute and write down the formula, which I'm lazy to write. So, and we just have to use the idea of midpoint. So x m, comma y m is equal to what is it? Minus 2 plus 2 by 2. So 0, 2 plus 8 by 2. Okay, it's just substituting, that's all, nothing else. So 0, comma 5. So whenever you get midpoint, you need not do the lengthy version of what I do. You can just do what I'm doing now. Working on point T. So T, how can I find T? How do I know the ratio? Well, if I take point M, which is 0, 5, T is a midpoint between A and M. So this is in the ratio of 1 is to 1, right? So again, our job becomes simple. It's a midpoint between A and M. So xt, comma yt. So xt, comma yt is equal to minus 2 plus 0 by 2, that's minus 1. 2 plus 5 by 2, that's 7 by 2. We got this. And next, at last, we have working on u. X of u, comma y of u. So xu, comma yu is equal to, u is a midpoint between m and b. So the ratio is 1 is to 1 again. 0 plus 2 by 2, that's 1. 5 plus 8, that is 13 by 2. Right? And though this is your answer. You can verify again with your code. As I just want to make a note of this. Unofficially, the midpoint formula in your coordinate geometry is, I'm sure you guys would have got it by now, but still, x1 into 1, that's x1 itself, x2 divided by 2, m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is your answer. I mean, that's your formula for such answers. So now you can pause and have a look and verify with your code. Use multiple point voila code and you can actually get this diagram. Okay, you can do that.